What up, Zulu? Bigger panic. This is for all the parents out there that love their children, just not living in the same household. Now, you can still have a bonded relationship with your child. Like me and my son, we have a 4:30 p.m. phone call every day. They say that the Earth is 93 million miles away from the sun.
Yes.
What questions come to your mind?
How do they know that? Because by what I've seen, the sun is very hot surface, so nobody's on a machine that we know of to survive that type of heat. So.
Okay, now you just said something vital. You said that we know of. Who is we?
The common people.
Right. Why do we, the common people, need to know how they measured that? Isn't that why they have top secret?
Yes.
So wouldn't that be something that would be inside of top secret?
Yes.
Oh. So just because we don't know it, don't mean it don't exist. I ain't worried about how they know that, because one, I already know that they know that because they told you what the measurement was. If they didn't know, they would say it's impossible to measure the sun from the earth. See, the question I got is, how do I get a job with the people that built the ruler?
What?
That built the ruler that measured the shit. Them the people that you want to get down with. Because it's obvious that they're talking about things that we have absolutely no idea of. And this is why they can make a cell phone and you don't know how they made it. And this is why you got to go to the doctor, because you don't know how your body's made. And you have to drive their car because you don't know how to build a car. You don't know nothing about physics, nor do you care about physics. You don't know how to fly a plane, nor do you care because you're scared to fly. So you're going to be like us, the common folk. You want to stay on the ground where it's safe. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
And this is why you're not ruling. Because they say, you know what, son? Stop being a punk. Get up there and get inside that airplane. Come on, son. The sun is 93 million miles away from the earth, son. Now, how you going to get to the sun? What's the best way? What kind of suit do you need to put on it if you're going to walk on the sun? Not what rims you want for your car. That's what common folks do. Hold on one second. So make it a daily thing to make a phone call to your child every day. I mean, what good is quantity if it ain't quality? Rastafari. Hi. Hi.
The fuck you want me to say? You explain to me what the fuck you want me to say, then
I just want you to say, what's up, this DJ, you better learn.
Check this out. All I gotta say is one thing. The guy behind this camera is a motherfucker. So, you know, when I say motherfucker, y'all can take it so many different ways.
Right.
I say motherfucker because I see the work that he put in. I took my man in Zulu. Yo, he came to 106.5, right? That's what it is?
Oh, yeah, that's it.
And it is. Yeah, we on the show.
Hey!
Clear Channel, you know, I'm in Clear Channel too, you know, up there, 104, 105.1, you know, up in New York, you know, all that. But meanwhile, back to this motherfucker. His show is ASS. When I saw what he distributed, what he portrayed, what he present, he caught me in my tracks. Regardless how long I've been in this fucking game, I recognize game. Can I say more?
That's Red Alert talking to you, homie. I said that's Red Alert talking to you, dog.